Updating your billing information on Arcadia Power is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Arcadia Power website and log in using your registered email and password. This will take you to your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile section in the menu. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In Account Settings, find the option labeled Billing Information or Payment Methods. Click on this to view your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Now your billing information is updated. Regularly check your account to keep your details current and avoid any payment issues.